Hello everyone, I'm Maureen Lack, a new YouTuber. I want to take this chance to welcome each and every one of you to this channel. Yeah, kindly subscribe so that each time I upload my content you are notified. And don't forget to like, to leave a comment and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Yeah, I'm a Kenyan citizen by birth. And that's why I have this flag over here, a Kenyan flag. I really love it. I acquired it in 2015 and I've never changed it since 2015. And it is 2021, so it's like 6 years down the line. I still love it and I've never changed it. And as you can see, it still moves on my wrist. So this one means Maureen Lack, you are not growing, you are not growing. Oh, don't mind, don't mind. Yeah, just a brief summary of myself. Maureen Lack loves traveling a lot. I love traveling, and I really love traveling. So far, I've been able to do local travels. Yeah, local travels just in Kenya. I haven't been outside the country, but I'm looking forward for for that. And there are these YouTuber travelers whom I really like and admire so much. Just to mention a few, yeah, I love Miss Trudy. She has really inspired me, and I love whatever she's doing. She has motivated me. And another traveler is Wodemaya, and another one is Ayamalia. There are just a few YouTubers who are travelers. I have mentioned a few, and you guys inspire me, you motivate me. One day I admire, one day, yeah, I admire one day to become like you guys. Yeah. Then another thing, I like swimming. I like swimming. So I'm not perfect, like, but you know, I wanna become perfect someday. And another thing, I like cooking. My last loves cooking so much. I love cooking mostly African dishes. I love cooking mostly African dishes. Yeah, because I've been in Africa and Kenya, so I'm ready to learn. I'm ready to learn other new dishes. Yeah, and I think lastly, I love watching. I love watching so much. I like watching mostly soap operas, and Nollywood movies. Nollywood movies, mostly Nigerian movies. Yeah, Nigerian movies, I really love them. I love Ghanaian movies and Kenyan movies also. Yeah, I can see Kenya, we are we are on a good trend. We are on a good trend. The Maria series, you guys carried it. Yeah, and we loved it. We loved it as Kenyans. Yeah, we loved it. I think I should applaud you guys for that. Yeah. Then there are who these things that are my best. Yeah, my best meal is chicken. I really love chicken. Or in luck usually has a craving for chicken. I really love chicken. Also kienyeji. Yeah, I love chicken. And another thing, my best one is kalapapo. If you've been close to me, you easily notice. I love kalapapo so much. And I love nature. I love nature. So the fact that I love nature has made me to like these two things. I love birds and flowers so much. And my best bird is a peacock, followed by a parrot. Yeah, and my best flower is rose flower. Yeah, my best flower is rose flower. Generally, remain in nature. Yeah, I like treating people the way I will want to be treated, and I have a soft spot for kids, children. No matter the gender, I have a soft spot for children, and I like protecting children against violence, more so when it comes to sexual violence. That one is a story for another day, but I love children. Yeah, and having said that, I think you've been able to see to get to know me a little bit as a new YouTuber, as Maureen Lack, and as time goes by, you will get to know me very well, very well. And don't forget to leave a comment, a like, and share. Yeah, any suggestions, you are welcome. And I really appreciate you for watching this video up to the end. And may God bless you. Have a nice day, a nice time. Yeah, bye.